You don't keep thinking about it because it was wrong. You keep thinking about it because your mind won't let it be finished. And the longer you go back to it, the more it starts to feel like you messed it up. In this video, we're going to look at why your mind keeps reopening decisions that were already done, and the pattern that pulls you back into replay even when nothing is changed. And by the end, you'll be able to catch the exact moment the loop starts and know how to stop going back so your decision can actually hold. When you made the decision, you were clear, you thought it through, you chose, but then later something shifts. And if you're someone who tends to overthink, your mind goes back into that moment like it's still happening. You're not remembering it, you're re-entering it. And instead of letting the decision stand, you start replaying it like it needs to be changed. Your mind changes the question. It stops asking, was that the right decision, and starts asking something else. Did that come across wrong? Did I hurt someone? Should I have said that differently? And if you're someone who replays everything, this feels responsible, but what you're actually doing is going back into something that's already finished. So here's the moment to catch it. If nothing changed, no new information, no response, why are you still going back? So you replay it, you rethink what you said, you go over how it sounded. And if you're someone who can't stop thinking, this can go on for hours. But here's the trap. You think you're solving something. You're not. You're trying to feel settled after the decision is already done. And the more you replay it, the more unsettled you become. And right here, this is usually the moment people miss what's actually happening. Because here's what's actually happening. You're not stuck because you made the wrong decision. You're stuck because your mind won't let the decision be final. There are only two reasons to go back. Something actually needs to be fixed, or you feel uncomfortable. And if you're someone who is always in your head, most of the time, nothing is broken. You're just uncomfortable. Uncomfortable because you were honest. Uncomfortable because you didn't over-explain. Uncomfortable because you stopped adjusting yourself. And this is where it starts to change you. Because every time you go back, every time you replay it, every time you try to adjust something that's already done, you teach your mind something. That your decisions don't hold, that you need to keep checking, that you can't let things rest. And over time, you don't just become someone who overthinks, you become someone who can't leave anything alone, even when it was right. And eventually, that doesn't just affect this decision, it follows you into the next one. So the shift is not to think more, it's to stop going back. When the thought comes in, you don't follow it, you don't replay it, you recognize it and you return. Because if you're someone who tends to overthink, the goal isn't to stop thoughts from showing up, it's to stop re-entering them once they do. If you're someone who replays conversations long after they're over and can't stop thinking about whether you got it right, we created something to help you interrupt that pattern immediately. Grab our 5-minute mental replay interrupt below so you can let your decisions rest before your mind pulls you back in again. Because the goal isn't to feel perfect after every decision, it's to stop reopening the ones that were already clear. It may not feel fully settled right away. Let the decisions stand.